I just got a new keyboard and it might be my favorite one yet. This is the YUNZII AL68, and while I've only had it for a little over a week, I think it's gonna live on my desk for a very long time. Let's unbox it, test it, and I'll give you my first impressions. I went with the black version with the Milk V2 switches. The overall design is super clean, no over-the-top gamer look, just a minimal 65% layout with a nice volume knob in the corner. Because of the aluminum build, there's no adjustable feet, just small rubber pads on the bottom, but honestly, I don't mind. The weight keeps it planted and I'm not moving this thing around much anyways. So here's what you get in the box. You got some paperwork, a couple of extra switches, a keycap puller, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. They also include extra keycaps for Mac users, which is a nice touch. And then of course, the star of the show, the keyboard itself with a protective plastic cover. I love that first moment when you peel it off and feel the weight in your hands. This thing is heavy, solid aluminum frame, no flex at all. Up here in the top right is the volume knob. It doesn't have a clicky feel. It's more of a smooth rotation, but it's still very tactile. Clicking it feels solid too. So far, I've only used it for volume control, but it's nice having that dedicated adjustment right there. Now, let's talk about typing. The Milk V2s are pre-lubed and linear, which means they're smooth right out of the box, no scratchiness, and no need to mod anything to get a good feel. They're also really easy to press, so I find myself typing faster without even thinking about it. I'm not a huge keyboard modder or technical reviewer, but as someone who loves the feel of a good keyboard, this is easily one of the nicest stock typing experiences I've had. This works both wired and wirelessly. I've been using it over Bluetooth with my laptop, but you can plug it in via USB-C if you want no latency and charging at the same time. I've honestly just been keeping it charged, but it's supposed to have a 6000 mAh battery, which should last a while. So yeah, first impressions? I love it. It's heavy, it's premium, the typing experience is smooth, and it just feels satisfying to use. No issues so far, but I'll keep you posted if anything changes over time. Alright, enough talking. Here's a quick sound test so that you can hear exactly what the Milk V2 switches sound like. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll have a link to this keyboard in the description if you're interested. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.